एक नया चैप्टर फर्स्ट 29th एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डेरिवेटिव। इसके पहले हमने 2-3 चैप्टर डेरिवेटिव के पढ़ लिए, तो आगे बात करते हैं। In the previous lesson we have learned the slope of the line in the tangent and the angle which the line makes with a positive direction of x-axis. It is denoted by the letter m. Thus, if theta is the angle which a line makes with a positive direction of x-axis, then m is given by tan theta. We have also learned that the slope m of line passing through 2 points x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 is given by m equals to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. In this lesson, we shall find the equations of tangent and the normal to the different curves using derivatives. Objectives: after studying this lesson, you will be able to find rate of change of quantities, find approximate value of function, define tangent and normal to the curve, graph of the function at the point, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the curve under given condition, find monotonic increasing and decreasing. Monotonic means increasing and decreasing function. Establish that dy by dx is greater than 0 in an interval of an increasing function, and dy by dx is less than 0 for decreasing function. Define the points of maximum and minimum values as well, local maxima and local minima of the function from the graph. Establish the working rule for finding the maxima and minima of the function using the first and second order derivative of the function, and work out simple problems of and on maxima and minima. Expected background, क्या क्या चीज़ आपको पता होनी चाहिए. First, knowledge of coordinate geometry and concept of tangent and normal to the curve, concept of differential coefficient of various function, geometric meaning of derivative of a function at a point, solution of equation and inequation. Topic first, 29.1, rate of change of quantities. Let y equals to fx of the function and x of x, and let there be a small change delta x in x and corresponding change in y be delta y. Average change in y per unit change in x equals to dy by delta y by delta x. As delta x less than 0, the limiting value of the average rate of change of y with respect to x, so that the rate of change of y per unit change in x is limit delta x represents 0, delta y by delta x is equal to dy by dx. Hence dy by dx represents the rate of change of y with respect to x. Thus the value of dy by dx at x equals to x0, that is dy by dx x equals to x0 is equal to f dash of x0. F dash of x0 represents the rate of change of y with respect to x at x equals to x0. Further, if two variables x and y are varying one with respect to another variable, that is another variable t, that is if y equals to f of t and x equals to g of t, then the chain rule dy by dx equals to dy by dt by dx by dt is where dx by dt is not equals to 0. So hence the rate of change of y with respect to x can be calculated by using the rate of change of y and that of x both with respect to t. Example number 1 देख लेते हैं. Example number 1, 29.1. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its variable radius r when r is 3 cm. यहाँ पे आपको रेट ऑफ चेंज फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ सर्कल का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इट्स वेरिएबल रेडियस r, जो r की वैल्यू है 3 सेंटीमीटर. Let a be the area of a circle of a radius r, then a equals to pi r square. Area of a circle दिया आपने pi r square, तो rate of change of area a with respect to its radius r, dA by dr is equal to dt by dr pi r square. So pi r square का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है 2 pi r. 2 pi r when r equals to 3, r की जगह 3 कर दो तो 6 pi, 2 pi into 3 6 pi आ जाएगा. It's इन दोनों का सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 2 3 जा 6 pi, and hence the area of a circle is changing the rate of 6 pi centimeter square by centimeter. Second example, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2x plus 3. Determine the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Solution, radius say r of the spherical balloon 1 by 2 diameter. So 1 upon 2 into 3 by 2, 2x plus 3 equals to 3 by 4 multiply मतलब 3 by 4 2x plus 3. ये रेडियस था 1 by 2, तो डायमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे 1 by 2 ऐड कर दिए इसके अंदर, तो 1 by 2 into 3 जो अभी हमने बोला 3 by 4. Let v be the volume of a balloon, then v equals to pi by 3 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. r क्या है हमारा, ये रहा 3 by 4, मतलब ये वाला जो भी हमने फाइंड किया r, ये 3 by 4 2x plus 3, so 4 by 3 into pi by 3 2x plus 3 the whole cube, तो v equals to 3 by 9 by 16, so is equal to 2x plus 3. ये 9 by 16 कैसे आया, पहले तो 3 3 से 9 and 4 4 से 16 हो गया, एक क्यूब है मतलब 3 3 से 9 3 से ऊपर 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27 4 4 16 16 4 जा जो भी होगा नंबर वो लिखना है. सिक्सटी फोर एंड इधर मल्टीप्लाई में है 4 by 3, तो यहाँ से इसको एक कट, इधर से 16 इधर से 9, तो 9 by 16 जो आगे इधर ये रहा, v equals to 9 by 16 pi 2x plus 3 the whole cube. तो rate of change of volume with respect to x dv by dx equals to 9 by 16 pi into 3 into 2x plus 3 the whole square into 2, तो is equal to 27 by 8 pi 2x plus 3 the whole square. तो hence the volume is changing at the rate of 27 by 8 pi 2x plus 3 the whole square unit cube by unit, मतलब इसका यूनिट सेंटीमीटर हो तो सेंटीमीटर, मीटर हो तो मीटर, तो मीटर क्यूब बाय मीटर, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब बाय मीटर सेंटीमीटर. तो थर्ड एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. A balloon which always remains spherical is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of a balloon is increasing. When its radius is 15 centimeter, the solution let r be the radius of a spherical balloon and v be the volume at any time t, then v equals to pi by 3 pi r cube. So differentiating with respect to t, we get dv by dt equals to d by dt pi by 3 4 by 3 pi r cube. तो d by dt d by dr, क्योंकि इधर r का फंक्शन है तो r लिखना है यहाँ पे, तो d by dr 4 by 3 pi r cube dr by dt. तो डेरिवेटिव 4 by 3 pi r cube, तो 3 नीचे r क्यूब वाला जो 3 है वो चला जाएगा नीचे, एंड r स्क्वायर, तो 4 by 3 pi 3r cube 3r square dr by dt. तो 3 3 कट 4 pi r square dr by dt. नाउ dv by dt, v की वैल्यू 900 दी है, तो dv by dt इक्वल्स टू 900 per second. So pi r 4 pi r cube pi r square dr by dt equals to 900. So dr by dt equals to 900 by 4 pi r square. तो कट 400 मतलब 4 1 जा and 225 4 जा 900, तो वो हो गया 225 pi r square, where r equals to 15. I guess it's given, yeah, and the radius is 15. तो r equals to 15 लिखा, तो यहाँ पे 15 square हो जाएगा, तो 15 square equals to 225 cut, तो 1 by pi is your answer. Hence the radius of a balloon is increasing at the rate of 1 upon pi centimeter by second when its radius is 50. Fourth example, a ladder m meter long is leaning against a wall. The foot of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? Solution देख लेते हैं. Solution: let the foot of the ladder be the distance x meters from the wall and y meters be the height of the ladder at any time t. Then x square plus y square equals to 25. ग्राफ एक प्लॉट कर देना है, x एक्सिस वॉल, x एक्सिस ग्राउंड, लैडर 5 सेंटीमीटर पे. Differentiating with respect to t, we get dx by 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equals to 0. dy by dt equals to minus x by y dy by dt. Dx by dt equals to 2 meter per second. So it's given dy by dt equals to minus x by y into 2, so minus 2x by y. Second, when x equals to 4 centimeter from first equation 1, y square equals to 25 minus 16, तो y equals to 3. x की जगह पे 4 लिखना है, तो y equals to 3 हो जाएगा, कि y square इधर होगा 9, तो y square equals to 9, तो y equals to 3. Putting x equals to 4, y equals to 3 in equation 2, we get dy by dx equals to 2 x की जगह पे 4 and y की जगह पे 3, तो यहाँ पे 2 तो है, 2 into 4 by 3, 2 into 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3. Hence the weight of a ladder on the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 meter per second. Fifth example, the total revenue received from the sale of x unit of product is given by Rs equals to 10x square plus 13x plus 24. Find the marginal revenue when x equals to 5, where by marginal revenue V means the rate of change of total revenue with respect to the number of items sold at an instant. Solution: given Rx equals to 10x square plus 13x plus 24. Since marginal revenue is the rate of change of revenue with respect to the time, with respect to the number of units sold, we have marginal revenue MR equals to dr by dx. तो 20x plus 13 when x equals to 5, MR equals to 20 into 5 plus 13, so 113. 25 is 100 plus 13 equals to 130. Hence the marginal revenue is 113. Example 29.6. The total cost associated with the product of x unit of an item is given by Cx equals to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 400. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced, whereby marginal cost we mean the instantaneous rate of change of total cost at any level of output. Solution: given Cx equals to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Since the marginal cost is the rate of change of total cost with respect to the output, we have the marginal cost MC equals to M dc by dx, derivative of C with respect to x. तो x cube तो 0.0073 x square minus 0.003 2x plus 15 तो 7,020 मतलब 0.021 x square minus 0.00 आएगा इधर minus 0.006x plus 15. Marginal cost MC where x equals to 17, 0.021 into 17 square minus 0.006 into 17 plus 15. तो इसका मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इतना होगा 6.069 minus 0.102 इक्वल प्लस 15 इज इक्वल टू, एडिशन करें तो हो जाएगा 20.967. तो hence marginal cost is equal to 20.967. तो चेक के प्रोग्रेस एज यूजुअल आपको करना है, बट मैंने 2-3 किए हुए आंसर देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट डी the side of square sheet is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. At what rate is the area increasing when the side is 8 cm long? So dA by dt equals to 4 cm and A equals to 8 cm. 8 cm long है but 4 cm तक खींचना है तो कितना होगा वो फाइंड करना है. तो A equals to E square dA by dt equals to 2A dA by dt, तो is equal to 2 into A equals to 8, 2 into 8 dA by dt equals to 4. तो 2 into 8 into 4 equals to 64 centimeter square per minute. 64 centimeter square per minute. Again, an edge of variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. How fast is the volume of the cubes increasing when the edge is 10 cm long? इसमें भी सेम ही होगा, थोड़ा बहुत है. Let at any time t the length of edge of cube is x and the volume is v. Then v equals to x cube dx by dt equals to 3 cm. We have to find the rate of change of volume v when x equals to 1. तो dv by dt equals to 3x square dx by dt. 3x square into 3, तो 3 3 is 9, 9x square. अब x की जगह जो हमने इधर देखा था क्वेश्चन में, x की जगह होगा ये होगा 10. तो आंसर when x equals to 10 dv by dt is equal to 9 into 10 square. 10 square 100, 100 into 9, 900 centimeter square per second. पहले 64 वाला आ गया, तो 900 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius when the radius is 6 सेंटीमीटर। इसके अंदर वही एरिया का फाइंड करना है। एरिया का सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर। तो सॉल्यूशन देख लेते हैं। पाई आर स्क्वायर, तो डी ए बाई डी टी इक्वल्स टू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आर, with respect to r, so 2 pi r equals to 6, so 2 pi into 6, so 2 6 are 12, so 12 pi centimeter is the answer. Let's see, 12 pi centimeter square plus pi centimeter, that थोड़ा सेंटीमीटर, 12 pi centimeter square by centimeter. Clear answer? तो बाकी के ये दो भी सेम ही है, खुद ट्राई कीजिए, हो जाएगा। तो सेकंड टॉपिक 29.2 approximation. In this section we shall give a meaning to the symbol dx and dy in such a way that the original meaning of the symbol dy by dx coincides with the quotient when dy is divided by dx. Let y equals to f of x be the function of x and delta x be the small change in x. Let delta y be the corresponding change in y. Then limit delta x represents 0. Delta y by delta x equals to dy by dx equals to f dash of x. So delta y by delta x equals to dy by dx equals to epsilon. Where epsilon represents 0 as delta x represents 0. Delta y is equal to dy by dx, delta x plus epsilon x delta x epsilon delta x is a very small quantity that can be neglected. Therefore delta y equals to dy by dx delta x approximately. This formula is very useful in the calculation of a small change or errors in dependent variable corresponding to the small change or errors in the independent variable. Some important terms: absolute error equals to the error delta x in x is called absolute error in x. Relative error: if delta x is an error in x, then delta x delta x by x is called relative error. Percentage error: if delta x is a error in x, then delta x by x into 100 is called percentage error in x. Note: we have delta y equals to dy by dx delta x plus epsilon delta x. Epsilon delta x is a very small, therefore principal value of delta y is dy by dx delta x, which is called differential of y. That is, delta y is called dy by dx delta x. So the differential of x is given by dx is equal to dx by dx delta x. So dx cut. So delta x dy equals to dy by dx into dy. तो ये ग्राफ है, ये कर्व एक पॉइंट, ये एक लाइन जो कर्व के टेंजेंट पे है। तो पॉइंट px y इक्वल्स टू f of x, तो q इक्वल्स टू x प्लस डेल्टा x प्लस y प्लस डेल्टा x। तो ये डिस्टेंस को बोलते हैं डेल्टा y dy, एंड यहाँ से जो ये वाला डिस्टेंस है इतना, इसको डेल्टा y बोलते हैं, इसको डेल्टा x और dx with respect to x. To understand the geometric meaning of dx, delta x, dy and delta y, let us focus our attention to the portion of graph of y equals to f of x in the neighborhood of the point p of x. ये दो where the target can be drawn to the curve if q equals to x plus delta x, y plus delta y with another point delta x is not equal to 0 on the curve, then the slope of line PQ will be delta y by delta x, which approach the limiting value dy by dx, slope the tangent at P. Therefore, when delta x represents 0, delta y is approximately equal to dy. Example 29.7. Using differential, find the approximate value of 25.3. So let y equals to under root of x, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to 1 upon 2 x raised to minus 1 upon 2. तो minus 1 upon 2 तो क्या आएगा 1 upon 2 under root of x. Take x equals to 25 and x plus delta x equals to 25.3. Then dx equals to delta x is equal to 0.3 when x equals to 25 and y equals to under root of 25 equals to 5. So delta y equals to dy by dx delta x 1 upon 2 under root of x delta x. So 1 upon 2 under root of 25 into 0.3. So root 25 means 5 to the 10 into 0.3 तो 0.03 क्योंकि डिवाइड में है. डिवाइड में है तो 0.03 बोलेंगे. Delta y equals to 0.03. Therefore, dy is approximately equal to delta y. Y plus delta y equals to under root of x plus delta x is equal to 25.3 under root में. Under root of 25.3 equals to 5 plus 0.03 हो सकता है is equal to 5.03 approximately. जो आंसर हमें ऊपर से मिला 0.3 plus 5 equals to y equals to 5. Delta y equals to 0.03. तो approximately 5.03 is your answer. Eighth example. Using differential, find the approximate value of 127 to the power 1 by 3. Take y equals to x to the power 1 by 3 and x equals to 125 and x plus delta x equals to 127. Then dx equals to delta x is equal to 2. So when x equals to 125, y equals to 125 by 1 by 3, so is equal to 5 क्योंकि 5 5 is 25, 25 is 125. तो 5q equals to 1 by 3 तो 3 cut तो is equal to answer is 5. Now y is equal to x to the power 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 3 x to the power 2 by 3. Delta y equals to dy by dx delta x is equal to 1 upon 3 x to the power 2 by 3 dx is equal to 1 upon 3 125 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2. So 3 cut तो 5 by 3 मतलब 5 square 25 3 is 75 by 2 जो ऊपर है वो. तो delta y equals to 2 by 27. Delta y equals to dy. Hence 127 to the power 1 by 3 equals to y plus delta y 5 plus 2 by 27 2 by 75. So 5 plus 0.26. So 2 by 27 is equal to 0.026 approximate. वैसे ही find the approximate value of f of 3.02 and f of x equals to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. So x equals to 3 and x plus delta x equals to 3.02. Then dx equals to delta x is equal to 0.02. We have when x equals to 3, so f of x equals to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Therefore f of 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 27 plus 15 plus 3 equals to 45. So delta y equals to dy by dx delta x equals to 6x plus 5 delta x. ये कैसे 2 3 is 6x plus 5x का 5 तो 6x plus 5 delta y equals to x की जगह 3 तो 6 into 3 plus 5 into 0.02 is equal to 6 3 is 18 plus 3 into 0.02 would be 0.46. So f of 3.02 is equal to f of x plus delta x plus y plus delta y is equal to 45 plus 0.46 equal to 45.46 approximately. Hence the approximate value of f of 3.02 is equal to 45.46. Tenth example, find the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 cm with an error of 0.03 cm. Then find the approximate error in the calculating at its surface area. Solution: let r be the radius of a sphere and delta r be the error in measuring the radius. Then r equals to 9 cm and delta r equals to 0.03 cm. Let S be the surface area of a sphere. Then S equals to 4 pi r square. ds by dr equals to 4 to the 8 pi r. 4 to the 8 आपको पता derivative of x with respect to r. So 4 pi into 2r equals to 8 pi r. So ds by dr equals to r equals to 9. So 8 pi into 9, 9 8 is 72 pi. Let delta s be the error in s. Then delta s equals to ds by dr equals to into delta r equals to 72 pi into 0.03 would be 2.16 pi centimeter square. Hence the approximate error in calculating the surface area is 2.16 pi centimeter square. ऐसे ही 11th example, find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 2%. Solution: let delta x be the change in x and delta v be the corresponding change in v. Given that delta x by x into 100 equals to 2, so delta x equals to 2x upon 100, v equals to x cube, dv by dx equals to 3x square, delta v is equal to dv by dx, delta x dv is equal to 3x square into 2x by 100. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है परसेंटेज एरर है मतलब 2x by 100 वो हो गया डेल्टा x and dv by dx is x cube derivative 3x square. तो 6 delta v equals to 6 by 100, 3 to the 6 into v. Hence the approximate change in volume is 6%. पहले 2% था, increase होने के बाद 6% उसका approximate change होगा. As usual, check your progress जो आपको करना है, बट मैंने थोड़ा बहुत किया है, देख लेते हैं आंसर. y equals to 25 raised to 1 by 3. अब y equals to x cube, x raised to 1 by 3, x equals to 27 and delta x equals to 2 minus 2, dy by dx equals to 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 to the power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. So delta y is equal to dy by dx delta x dy is delta y is equal to 1 upon 327 x to the power 2 by 3 into minus 2. So 3 3 3 9 3 27, 3 power cube into 2 by 3 raised to 2 by 3, so 3 3 cut, so 3 square, 3 square into 3 raised to into minus 2, 1 upon 27 into minus 2 is equal to minus 0.0740. तो आगे second example, r equals to 7 meter, delta r equals to 0.02 meter. Now the volume V of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube and dy by dt dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square. तो ये 3 नीचे चला जाएगा, 3 3 कट, तो 4 pi r square. Delta V is same as dv is equal to dv by dt equals to delta r. तो 4 pi r square into delta r, 4 pi r square into 0.02 which is given. तो r की जगह 7 रख दो, तो आंसर होगा 3.92 पाई, ये पाई एज इट इज रहा मीटर क्यूब. दिस इज योर आंसर. Under root of 36.6 where y is equal to under root of x equals to 36 and delta x would be 0.6. So y equals to under root of x and dy by dx equals to d under root of x by dx equals to 1 upon 2 under root of x, क्योंकि x to the power इसकी जगह 1 by 2 भी बोल सकते, तो 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 नीचे चला जाएगा. Now delta y is equal to dy by dx, delta x equals to minus 1 upon 2 under root of x, sorry, is equal to 1 upon 2 under root of x into 0.6. तो 1 upon 2 under root of 36 into 0.6 बोल सकते हैं. तो 36 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 6, तो 6 by 2 into 6, तो आंसर वुड बी 0.05. आगे 0.05. Also delta y equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Putting the value 0.05 जो हमें मिला delta y is equal to a function of x plus delta x, मतलब under root of 36 plus 0.6 is equal to minus under root of 36. तो 36 चला जाएगा इस साइड, क्योंकि 36.6 हमें फाइंड करना है. तो 36.6 अंडर रूट में इज इक्वल टू 0.05 माइनस अंडर प्लस आएगा प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 36, तो 6, तो आंसर वुड बी 6.05. इस यहाँ पे 36 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 6, तो हमें 6 को फाइंड करना है. एक और है y plus delta y equals to f of x plus delta x, where y equals to under root of x and x would be 25. Delta dy by dx equals to 1 upon 2 under root of x, delta x would be 1. So dy equals to 1 upon 2 under root of x into dx, 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 under root of 5 into 1. So 1 upon 2 into 5 equals to 1 by 10. So answer 5 plus y plus delta y equals to under root of x plus delta x. So 5 plus 1 upon 10 would be is equal to under root of 25.1. So 5 plus 1 upon 10 would be 1 upon 10 would be 0.1. So 5 plus 0.1 is equal to under root of 26. So 26 under root is equal to 5.1. हमने ये सेकेंड किया, 36 वाला किया, 26 वाला किया एंड 7 वाला भी 5th किया. 1 2 4 5 किया. आपको 3 and 6 का होमवर्क एज यूजुअल इजी है, हो जाएगा. एक और टॉपिक 29.3 स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल. एक ग्राफ प्लॉट कीजिए, एक टेंजेंट वाली लाइन एंड एक नॉर्मल टू द परपेंडिकुलर. नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करना है. तो लेट y equals to f of x be the continuous curve and let p of x1 y1 be the point on it then the slope pt at p of x1 y1 is given by dy by dx at x1 y1 would be 1. So and equation 1 is equal to tan theta. We know that the normal to the curve is a line perpendicular to the tangent at a point of contact. We know that alpha is equal to pi by 2 plus theta from figure 10.1 ये वाली 10.1 ऊपर is equal to minus 1 upon tan theta. तो is equal to मतलब आंसर इसका होगा cot थीटा माइनस cot थीटा. माइनस cot थीटा को हम 1 upon tan बोल सकते हैं. 1 upon tan हो गया is equal to minus 1 by m is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1 और minus dx by dy at x1 y1. इसको ऊपर सिर्फ लेके गए बस और कुछ नहीं किया. तो ये हो गया आपका स्लोप. तो note the tangent of the curve at any point will be parallel to the x-axis if theta equals to 0. That is the derivative at the point will be 0. That is dx by dy at x1 y1 equals to 0. The tangent of the point to the curve y equals to f of x will be parallel to the y-axis if dy by dx equals to 0 at that point. Let us consider some example. Let us see example number 29.12. Find the slope of a tangent and the normal to the curve x square plus x cube plus 3xy plus y square is equal to 5 at 1 1. Solution: the equation of the curve 2x plus 3x 2x square plus 3x square plus x cube plus 3xy plus y square equals to 5. Differentiating with respect to x, पहले with respect to x करते हैं. तो 2x plus 3x square plus 3 of dx by 3x plus dy by dx plus y of 1 plus 2y dy by dx equals to 0. Substituting x equals to 1, y equals to 1 in equation 2, ये वाली equation में we get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 dy by dx plus 1 equal plus 2 dy by dx equals to 0. So answer would be 5 dy by dx equals to minus 8. So y would be dy by dx would be minus 5 by 8. So the slope of tangent of the curve at 1 1 is minus 8 by 5 and that of the slope of the normal to the curve is इसका उल्टा 5 by 8. 13th example देख लेते हैं. Show that the tangent of the curve y equals to 1 upon 6 3x to the power 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x at point plus or minus 3. मतलब x की वैल्यू हो गई ये r parallel. Solution of the equation of the curve is y equals to 3x to the power 5 plus 2x cube minus 3x by 6 equation 1. तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग इसको with respect to x करेंगे तो 15x to the power 4 6x square plus minus 3 by 6 dy by dx at x equals to 3 is equal to 15 3 is 9 3 is 27 3 is 81. तो 15 into 81 plus 6 into 9 minus 3 by 6. तो 1 upon 6 15 into 9 into 9 plus 54 minus 3. तो 3 by 6 405 plus 17 is equal to 2 and 1. dy by dx at x equals to minus 3 would be same 2 and 1 क्योंकि सब 4 है इधर स्क्वायर है तो माइनस को इवन से स्क्वायर करे तो आंसर would be positive. तो सेम ही आंसर आएगा. The tangent of the curve at plus or minus 3 are parallel as the slope at x equals to plus or minus 3 are equal. क्योंकि 2 1 1 2 1 1. 14th, the slope of the curve 6y cube is equal to px square plus q at 2 minus 2 is 1 by 6. Find the values of p and q. The equation of the curve is 6y cube is equal to px square plus q, equation 1 with respect to x. तो 18 y square dy by dx plus 2px putting x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 2, we get 18 minus 2 का square, 18 4 जा वो वाला, dy by dx equals to 2p into 2 मतलब 4p, तो dy by dx equals to p by 18, तो it is given equal to 1/6, तो 1/6 equals to p by 18, तो p would be 3, 1 जा p would be 3. The equation of the curve becomes 6y cube minus 3x square plus q. Also, the point 2 to minus 2 lies on the curve. 6 minus 2 cube is equal to 3 2 square plus cube is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 8 4 जा 8 6 जा minus 42, मतलब क्यूब है. देखिए मैंने आपको बोला था कि इवन के अंदर हो स्क्वायर, इवन के अंदर तो पावर में हो तो आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा, इधर ऑड में है तो माइनस आ रहा है, तो माइनस 48 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू क्यू. ये माइनस क्यू 2 टू द 4 3 ज 12 पॉजिटिव इस साइड गया, तो नेगेटिव होगा. माइनस 48 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू क्यू. क्यू इज इक्वल टू माइनस 60. द वैल्यू ऑफ p would be 3 and q would be 60. तो एज यूजुअल चेक योर प्रोग्रेस 29.3. इसमें से थोड़े मैं करता हूँ, थोड़े आप कीजिए. फर्स्ट y equals to x cube minus 2x at x equals to 2. तो dy by dx at x equals to 2, तो डेरिवेटिव करते हैं. 3x square minus 2, 2 to the 4, 4 3 12 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 would be 10 dy by dx at x equals to 2. So slope of the tangent to the curve at x equals to 2 is equal to 10. वही the normal the slope of the normal to the curve at x equals to 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 10. उसका ऑपोजिट d माइनस नेगेटिव साइन में. फॉर एग्जांपल x equals to a theta minus sin theta, y equals to a 1 minus cos theta. Theta would be pi by 2. Dx by d theta equals to a d by d theta, theta minus sin theta. तो dx by d theta would be a, derivative of theta would be 1, sin theta would be cos theta. तो dy by d theta equals to a, derivative of 1 minus cos theta. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 would be 0 and cos थीटा का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin, तो माइनस प्लस sin थीटा. तो dy by d थीटा would be a sin थीटा. d by dx is equal to a sin theta by a 1 minus cos theta. dx by dy by dx at x equals theta equals, सॉरी इधर थीटा आएगा, इधर x ही आएगा. at x would be pi by 2, तो sin pi by 2 by 1 minus cos pi by 2. तो sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 would be 0. तो 1 minus 1 minus 0, तो dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2 is equal to 1. तो the slope of a tangent, the curve at theta pi by 2 equals to 1. The slope of a normal to the curve at theta equals to pi by 2 would be minus 1. इसका opposite sign. तो last example देख लेते हैं. x square plus 3y plus y square equals to 5. dx by dt equals to 2x, इधर तो हो गया 0. dy by dt equals to हो गया 3 plus 2y. तो dy by dt upon dx by dt, dt cut at x and y equals to 1 and 1. तो 3 plus 2y upon 2x equals to 5 by 2. तो pi by 2 आया. तो वही the slope of the tangent at the curve at 1 1 would be 5 by 2 and the slope of the normal to the curve at 1 1 equals to minus 2 by 5. तो देख लेते हैं. 10 minus 1 by 10, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 and 1 minus 1. बाकी के 3 है, मैंने पहले 3 मैंने किए, दूसरे 3 आप कीजिए, ऐसा होमवर्क इजी है.